And developing right now, the largest airline at Dulles Airport about to get even bigger. We're talking about United Airlines and the historical deal they announced with Boeing to buy up to 200 large aircraft.
Yeah, it's great news for both United and Boeing. But as our Joseph Olmo reports, it's also a win for the local economy.
Yeah, so anytime you buy 100 of these big 787 planes with an option to buy 100 more, it's a big deal. Big deal for the airline, big deal for the plane manufacturer. In this case, it's Boeing. But this time we're focusing on the economic impact here in the DMV. Just how many jobs are going to be created at one airport because of this massive aircraft order.
It's up and away here for the economy and for air travel demand.
That's Clint Henderson, managing editor of travel site The Points Guy. He describes the massive order from United Airlines, up to 200 Boeing Dreamliners, as a shot in the arm for the DMV's economy and job market.
That means additional passengers. That means additional demand for the shops at the airport. That means additional gate agents and baggage handlers and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And those numbers really start to add up over the long term.
On board one of those 787 planes today, Henry Bird, who has the airline's top job at Dulles, telling us the order alone will bring over 1,000 new jobs to the airport.
Pilots, flight attendants, ground crew below the wing, customer service agents above the wing.
But don't expect those 1,000 jobs to land all at once. After all, this is an aircraft order that'll take the better part of a decade to complete.
So I would expect exponential growth. So over the next year, 5 years, I'd see that kind of staff coming online, but kind of stretching out over the entirety of us bringing on the aircraft.
United says in 2023 they'll take 2 new planes a week and 3 new planes a week by 2024. So we asked if this could signal an end to those notorious travel meltdowns we saw earlier this year.
I think that the purchase order with the aircraft is one component of an overall strategy to insulate United Airlines from those types of risks.
Yeah, this is not really going to help short term. So this Christmas, this won't impact Christmas flights or the number of planes available to fly you home for Christmas. But over the long term, this is good news. This is United getting ahead of the demand and saying, we think the demand is going to be there. We're going to have the planes available that we need to meet that demand in the future.
A big win for an airline and an industry slowly bouncing back to normal from the pandemic. Reporting at Dulles International Airport, I'm Joseph Olmo, DC News Now.